don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some beautiful nails that I received from a company called Luvher Beauty. Now, I have had these nails on for a whole week. I put these on last Sunday and I have been wearing them all week. I absolutely love the quality of these nails. I am going to show you how I put them on, take you through the steps. It was so easy. These nails are so beautiful. I love the color of this blue. It's just gorgeous, and the company sent these nails to me to try, and I got 3 colors. I got this beautiful blue, this beautiful red, and this beautiful cream color white. And the great thing about these nails is that you can reuse these nails. They come in a set, a full set. You don't get any extra nails. The good news about these nails is they come in extra small, small, and medium. And I got the small size. And you can see that this is like the basic sizes that you would get in any of the press-on nails that you would get out from Kiss or Impress. So the medium would be for a larger nail bed, which is really good because if you have a larger nail bed, usually you have a problem with the packaged nails that you can get from Impress and Kiss. So that's a really great feature of these nails. And the other great feature that I like about these nails is that they have a little glue pad that you can use to glue on the nails. And this does not ruin your nail. A lot of people ask me, gee, doesn't the glue that you use, because I tend to use super glue on my Impress glue on nails, and they worry that that's going to ruin their nail. And you do have to file off that glue before you add a new set of nails. But the beauty of these little glue strips is that when you have to take a nail off, you can just roll that glue off your nail and it leaves absolutely no residue. Your nail is as perfect as it was before you put these on. So I think that is a really great feature, along with the fact that they come in different sizes. So these nails, because they have this little glue strip, you can use them if you just want to wear nails for one evening or for just, you know, a weekend or something, and you can take them off, put them back in their little place here, and because this is like a strip of, like a sticky strip, you can just put them back on here and reuse them like jewelry. It's really, really good. And so I'm just going to show you how I put them on. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the nails as I'm showing you how I put the nails on. So these nails, as I said, they come in extra small, small, and medium. They're handmade using only quality gel polish, and all materials are non-toxic and free from animal testing. And they come in a bunch of different sizes and colors. They have long, short. The ones that I chose are short, and they are the classic with the square tips. And these nails are reusable, non-damaging. You can apply them in seconds, and they're vegan and cruelty-free. Every package comes with 10 nails, adhesive tabs, alcohol wipes, dual-sided file, buffer, and wooden stick for your cuticles. And these nails are easily removed by using the wooden stick to lift the nail from both sides and then rolling the adhesive tab with the tip of the wooden stick or your finger to move it off of your nail. And as I said, your nail stays in perfect condition. And the nails that I chose are the Cherry Red Classic, Milky Beige Classic, and Gray Blue Classic. And as I said, this is just an absolutely gorgeous blue. I've gotten so many compliments on this, on these nails, and they are durable and sturdy and really great quality. I absolutely love them. So if you would like to get yourself a set of these beautiful Luvher Beauty Nails, I have a 25% off coupon. The code is BLL25, and you would just use that coupon code at checkout. The website is luvherbeauty.com. Everything will be linked in the description section, so I hope that you will go on out there and get a couple sets of these nails. I am definitely hooked on these. I think they are really, really great. I'm going to be trying out this beautiful red next time. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments section, and let me know if you're going to pick up a set of these Luvher Beauty nails. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have gotten a little something out of this video. I hope that you will let me know if you're going to give these nails a try, and then how you like them after you do. So take care, everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.